Good evening. My name is Keith All, and today's tutorial will be on how you can create a coming soon web page for your website using the Builderall platform. Now, the coming soon web page could also be called a holding page or a temporary landing page or an under construction page. So what we could do here is we have a few different options on how you could do this within the Builderall platform. Now, right now, I'm in my back office, my editing portion of it, and I got this temporary website up, and it is published, which means that it is live on the internet. So if I give them the actual web link, they'll be able to see it. So, and this is the editing portion, and this is right here, this is the live version of it. So step number one, or the first way that we could do this is by creating a separate page within your current layout and setting that separate page as your home page. So let's go ahead and do this. So if I go up here to the upper left corner for this menu selection here, is I'm going to click on this, and it will show all my layouts that I have for this particular website that I have. So if I click this right arrow here, it's going to bring me to a bunch of settings. So right now, this page right here is set as the home page, and you could determine that by looking at this little black icon that looks like a little house. That's your home page. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to add a page, and it gives you a bunch of different templates that you could choose from. I'm going to go ahead and choose the under construction section, and right now they only have a blank page, so I'm going to go ahead and click that. I'm going to call it under construction. Click confirm. And now it created a separate page called under construction, as you can see over here on the left. And what I'm just going to do is I'm going to temporarily put on a text element. I'm just going to choose that. Come over here. I'm going to edit this. I'm just going to type in under construction. I'm going to do that. Now I want this, instead of setting my actual home page of my website to be the home page, I want to set this as the default home page. So I'm going to come over here, right here, top left, and it's your layouts, and I'm going to select this layout, which is the only layout I have at this time. I'm going to select this, and now I want to make this the default home page. So when someone goes directly to the website, I want this page to show up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this page called under construction. I'm going to select this gearbox, and now all I have to do is select this button here, and it's the home icon. So I'm going to select that, and now it's checked. So what this means is, watch when I save this change I made. As you can see, it now puts that home icon on this page. It was on this page right here, but now it's on this. So now all I have to do is come over here in the top right and click on save. Save the options. Okay, now it made the change. So now I'm going to go over to my other tab where I have my website open, and all I have to do is click on refresh and watch what happened. So now it changed my other page over to now this page under construction. So that's one way you could do it. Another way in Builderall is I'm going to come back to the editor. Is now I'm going to come over here and add a different layout. So I'm going to click on this, and now it says down here on the bottom, it says add layout. So I'm going to do that. Now, again, it gives you a bunch of different templates you could choose from. And I'm going to choose the under construction one. And it gives you all these different templates. So I'm just going to choose one. And now I'm going to name it. Now, I already have a page in my other layout called under construction. So I can't name it the same. So I'm going to do under construction 1. Click confirm. Now I have two different layouts. Now watch what happens. Now let's go to the first layout where I have that page. See this under construction page? It has the home icon. So if I click save and everything, it's still going to select this as the default home page. So if I close out of this, go back to layouts, go to the new layout I just created with the template of under construction. And now I want this page to be the default home page when someone navigates to my website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this page in this layout to be the home page. Select that, save. And as you can see in this layout, this new layout that we selected, this page right here that you see here is now the default home page. And we could double check that by going back to the other layout. And as you can see, that home icon is now removed from this under construction. So let's save my changes. Click save. Close this dialog box out. Let's tab over to my browser with my website open. I'm going to refresh it and watch what happens. And see, now it switched over to this new coming soon web page that we just selected. So those are a couple ways that we could temporarily make a coming soon page or under construction page or a temporary landing page until we have our full website designed and developed with everything that we want. So I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you today. Come back often because I always do tutorials on using the Builderall platform, plus many other skill sets that I have. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and click the bell notifications so you'll always be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks again for stopping by. Have a great day.